Alright, what's up everybody? This is Drew and crew, and today we're down in Omaha, Nebraska. We are here at the Henry Dorley Zoo. Zoo and Aquarium, I guess. So I have not been here since I was a little kid, and there's all kinds of new stuff to go check out. So kind of excited to go see what the new stuff is and go have a good time. Ready, guys?
Yep.
Alright, it's Drew and crew time! Woo!
Guys, so we just got done at the jungle part of the zoo. It was pretty neat. I like the monkeys. There was some fish, some little ones, some turtles, all kinds of things, birds, but the jungle trail was
Anteaters.
Anteaters.
I like those.
Yeah. But the jungle trail was closed, so that's kind of a bummer. But we're gonna go down and check out the aquarium now.
Okay, we just got out of the aquarium. Pretty neat. Not quite as big as what I was hoping for, but there was sharks and jellyfish and stingrays and tuna and all kinds of fish, any kind of fish you'd want. Just was kind of hoping it'd be a little bigger. Still pretty cool. And now we're gonna go scope out the rest of the zoo. We're gonna go walk around, maybe catch a train ride to go check out the rest of it. And yeah, let's go see what else we can find. All right, so this is one of them new attractions that I've never seen before. We're heading into the desert dome right now to go see some desert animals. All right, so right now you probably can't hardly see me because we're in the nocturnal animal exhibit. So we've just got a few red lights to guide our way, but otherwise complete darkness and little spooky, creepy, crawly animals hidden around. All right, so we just got out of the desert, which was super cool, super big. It looks big and it is big. There's trails that go for days out there. So, and then we found ourselves in a dark cave part of it, underneath of it, where they had all the nocturnal creatures down there. We had caves and swamps and bats and fish and frogs, snakes, everything you could think of that comes out at night was all down there and all set up in their own environment. It was very cool, very dark though. You guys probably didn't get a lot of footage of that. So now we're trying to make it over to the movie theater so we can go watch a movie about turtles here. So off we go.
All right, everybody, we just got done at the movie theater. We watched Sea Odyssey. It was about turtles. Or no, Turtle Odyssey. It was about turtles. I thought it was kind of boring.
What?
What did you think of it, babe?
I thought it was great.
What did you think of it, Landon?
Good.
45 minutes. About 45 minutes.
And I fell asleep.
So we are officially done with the Omaha Henry Dorley Zoo. Got pretty hot out here today, so we are sweating like crazy. We had a good time. We didn't get to see everything. Hope we get to come back soon and get the rest in, but I think we hit on the main stuff and saw quite a bit. So had a very, very good time. Wish we'd have got here sooner so we could have seen more, but yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video.